Hi there, welcome to episode 104 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to be talking about a technique for playing a scale up and down one string, but with a particular pattern. And it really gets you sliding around. You really have to be comfortable with your scale up and down one string. And playing up and down one string is something that some players don't really do at all, some players really use. And I think it's a very powerful thing to have a handle on. People like Pat Metheny and even Tommy Emmanuel, they both do playing up and down one string. And I think when playing solos especially, or playing melodies, I think it's great because you can really focus on expression if you're going down up and down one string, and do a lot of sliding and that kind of thing to really express a melody in a cool way. And it really breaks you out of the rut of playing, the same scales straight up and down the neck. You can focus much more just on the notes that you're playing and the melody, I think, when you're playing up and down one string. So this is a way to kind of help break out of that rut. And it's just a little pattern, and I'll show you in E major. So starting just on the top E string, okay, the E major scale. Okay, and what I'm doing is 4 up, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, actually starting with the second note. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go up 4, then go one more, going down 1, 2, 3, 4. Then move up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then move up 1, down 4, then move up 1, and down 4. Go up 1, down 4. Again, up 1, down 4. And there, okay? So again, really slowly, you go 1 up, 2, 3, 4. You go up 1 more and go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up 1 and go 4. Go up 1 note and then go down 4. Go up 1 note. And I'll do it just straight through. Okay, you can do this, finger style or pick style. Hey David, hey John, hey welcome Terry. Hi there guys, good to see you. So yeah, I'll just do that again, and yeah, either pick style or finger style, and just try to incorporate some sliding also. And you want to get it basically as legato as you can, but you really have to know your scale well to do this. And going down also, you can start here, maybe at the 16th fret on the G sharp up there. Oops, so, haha. Like that. Again, it's 4 notes up. You go 1 more, and go down 4. You can do that on all the strings. Like that, and then down again. Like that. And again, I find it just very useful to break out of the pattern of going across a string. And you can choose any scale you want if you want to do a minor scale or anything like that. I'm just showing just in E major to hopefully help with that. Yeah, again, I think it's very useful to do help in one string. Although Sullivan, don't fear the reapers played on one string. I didn't know that, John. That's really cool. That's really cool, actually. Thanks for sharing that. Pat Metheny and Tommy Emmanuel, Joe Satriani often play up and down one string. You can just get some really. There's a lot of really cool patterns you can do just by focusing on one string. I just think it's a lot of expression. I know I heard Pat Metheny talking about this, and he talked about how the sitar, there's a lot of strings on the sitar, but most of them are resonating strings. The melody string, there's only one string. So all the melodies you hear on a sitar are all played on one string. I've never played sitar, but he shared that. I think it's a good thing to keep in mind too. So I hope this exercise is useful as you're getting around there. And as always, let me know any questions you might have or any suggestions for future episodes. So thanks very much for watching. All right.